Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we'll be doing another Leetcode problem 746 minimum cost climbing stair. This is an easy one and a very similar problem, or exactly the same problem you can say, uh, to the 70 climbing stair. But in this problem we are just only going to return the minimum cost of the climbing stair. So what is the cost? The cost is the step we are on. So let me explain. If we have an array like this and we have to reach the ending point, which is 0, then obviously we can take two steps, this s, and it is at 10. We can take two steps which will may give us 20, but we are not at the very end. We will take another step. The whole cost operation is going to be 20. But if we take 15, we can either start from first index or the second index. If we start from 15, we can just take two steps and reach the very end. That's why we are going to return to 15, because it just cost less. What we can do is just take the last, start from the very last, and add the values next, take the minimum of the I plus 1, the location we are on, plus 1 plus 2, take the minimum index and add them at that location. So for 20 it is going to be 20 plus 0. We are not going to, you can say, change the last two indexes, because it does not make sense. And 20 can take one steps and come at 0, and 15 can take two steps and come at the very last. For 10 it does matters, because if we go from 10 to 15, then it is going to be a 10 cost operation, and now we are in 15. We are going to take a 15 cost operation, which will make us to the very end, and this will just make the output at 10 25. So we'll be taking the minimum, and the minimum is going to be 15. So that's it. So cost dot append it with 0. So for I in range of length of cost minus 3, because we do not want to change the last two indexes. That's it. And now we want to go till minus 1 and decrementing 1 at each point, like this. Okay. So cost at I is going to be added by the minimum of its next or of its next. So cost at I plus 1, cost at I plus 2. Then we can just return minimum between the cost at the very first, because we can start from 0th index or the first index. So we'll be taking the minimum cost which is present at those indexes, or one, and that's it. This should work.